front of me is Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Then choose Open under Google. Click on Google Password Manager and select the password you wish to edit. Following that, enter your screen lock and hit Edit button to change wherever you want to. When you finished, you need to hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!